Hey, we finally arrived. Now, this is the park that's just to my right. So I'm going to show you that here in just a minute. And if you can go and look behind me, you can see some of the architecture. Really cool stuff. Really, really very cool stuff. And this is the park here in Jefferson. You can see the train and the bridge, actually the train track and the bridge. Just a neat park. A couple of statues are out here. There's a bear and bear cub and a deer statue out here. Just a really neat park just to kind of wander around. Got lunch. You can bring your lunch out here and just sit. It's a little cold, a little breezy today. There's Tammy wandering around the park. There's another statue of a bear and a bear cub. Let's see if we can get a little closer. This is the bear cub and bear statue that they have out here in the park. Really neat. Let's go take a little closer look at that other statue. It's a deer statue, so let's go check that out. Okay, this is the deer statue that's out here in the park. This is really neat. Look at the detail on that. Really cool.